guys, Di here from the Messy Palette. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well. I have got for you today amazing things. So I am doing a design team project for Sandy over at Papier Trés Chic on Etsy. And she has sent me her Emerald Romance Art Deco kit, and it is amazing. It is so beautiful. I've already printed it out, trimmed it, printed on the back, so I'll just give you a quick look. And it's huge. It's a huge kit. It's just so worth the money. Now these ones here, I'll just make sure I'm in shot. These ones here are her 12 by 12 sheets in the thing, but my printer won't do 12 by 12, so I have just printed them as is on an A4 and cut them down. But I'm going to make some envelopes and things out of them, and they are just so pretty. Gems, and look at these, aren't they gorgeous? Excuse the lighting in here, it's really dark and dingy in here today, and I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so that's the 12 by 12. As I said, I've printed them out smaller. These are the full sheets, which will also make some great envelopes and little writing spots and things. And they're just so cool. That way. I think we're up to, so that's the full pages. These are, I think we're upside down, the journaling pages. I've just backed with some coffee dyed paper prints, but yeah, some I've printed on a thicker cardstock, some is printed on paper, so these will actually be covers and things for mini journals that I will do throughout the year with this kit. Aren't they just beautiful? It's going to take forever to get through, but as you can see, it is just beautiful. The backgrounds in these are just amazing. Like, look at this lady in the background. So cool. So cool. There are just so many pages. I'm going to be able to make probably 10 journals out of this kit without doubling up on things. I can't go through them all, it's going to take forever. Just go and I'll leave the link below for this kit, and you can go over and have a look at it for yourself. And I've also got a 20% discount on this kit for my subbies, which I will leave the link below. These are misprints, and I will use those as collage fodder. And then there's the embellishments, which I've already cut and I've put together the envelopes, and so there's journaling cards and butterflies, and it doesn't belong in there. Oh, that's what they are. So they are the envelopes. It's 2 huge butterflies, envelopes, postcards, journaling cards, pockets. Oh, that's off my cover. More envelopes. How to put my ladder together. How did that get in there? Beautiful, beautiful, just beautiful. These are pages that I've used for tags, and some that I haven't even cut out yet. So there is so much yumminess here.